Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use text blocks in Squarespace 7.1's Fluid Engine. If you're building a website and want your words to look great while staying super flexible, you'll love how simple and powerful these text blocks are. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add text, style it, organize it, and even tap into Squarespace's built-in AI tools to help speed up your writing. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to be inside your website editor. That's the main part of Squarespace where you design and arrange your pages. To get started, simply click on Add Block, which pops open a menu of content options. From here, scroll through until you spot Text. Go ahead and select that. This action drops a fresh text block onto your section, and now you're ready to type. At this point, you can type literally anything. A tagline, an intro paragraph, your business hours, whatever you need. But don't rush past this next part. Above your typing area, you'll see a small drop-down menu. This menu lets you set your text as a headline, like Headline 1, Headline 2, Headline 3, or as a paragraph, and so on. Think of headlines like road signs. They grab attention and guide visitors through your content. For example, Headline 1 is perfect for your page's main title, while Headline 2 could introduce a new section. And paragraphs are great for the everyday information. Once you've got your text entered, it's time to make it stand out. Squarespace gives you a bundle of formatting options. You can make words bold for extra emphasis, or tilt them with italics for style and subtlety. There's also the theme color. Changing this adjusts your text's color to match your branding, helping everything feel cohesive across your site. Let's say you want something to really pop, maybe a call to action. Just highlight that section and play with the scaling tool to increase text size. You can also highlight text in a contrasting color, which is great for drawing a visitor's eye. Want your text to do more? Why not add a link? Just select the relevant words and attach a URL. Now, visitors can click straight through. As you keep editing, you'll see more familiar options just like in typical word processors. Strike-through can help cross off items or show edits, while bullets and indents organize your thoughts into lists or levels. If you're arranging a list of services or steps, these features really tidy things up. For alignment, you can line your text left, right, center, or justify. This can change the overall look and feel, so experiment to see what works best for your design. And here's a bonus that saves tons of time. Squarespace's AI writing tool. If you're stuck or want help getting started, click the Squarespace AI button beside the text block. There, just type your topic or what you need help writing. You can ask the AI to compose a full paragraph, generate a pitch, or spin up a quick blurb, perfect for product highlights or creative introductions. Once you're happy, press enter, and the AI will insert the text right in. Don't worry if the first draft isn't perfect. You can edit or tweak it just like any other text. And that's really all there is to it. Adding and styling text blocks in Squarespace. 7.1 Fluid Engine is straightforward, puts creative control in your hands, and can make your site look incredibly professional, even if you're just getting started. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another tool you'd love to learn about. For more tips and easy web design walkthroughs, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.